Can a tropical plant belong in a traditional Japanese pot? This is an Omoto pot, a piece of Japanese horticultural tradition passed down through generations. Hundreds of years ago, no one could have imagined a meeting like this, a tropical Dyckia and a traditional Japanese pot. Different histories, different climates, different worlds, yet somehow they bring out the beauty in each other. Tradition doesn't have to stay in the past. Sometimes it finds a new future. See you in the next experiment.